Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Swage of the 99 and I'm so excited because today I'm at the Dollar Tree. So come with me, hang out. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I have so many amazing videos in my YouTube channel right now, so make sure you do check them out after this one. So with that, let's get started. Oh, and look what is here at the Dollar Tree. They have the marble set. They have the kitchen set, as well as these beautiful mugs. And they have all of the matching dinnerware, including the bowls, beautiful, the plates, the small plates, and also the larger plates. Yeah, gorgeous. And they also do have more of the sunflower dishes. Let's look over here because there seems to be a lot. I know we've seen this collection also, but definitely want to show you guys everything that is here. And I apologize if you hear background noise. Looks like they're fixing one of the signs towards the front of the store. So yeah, not a bad deal for only $1. All right, so check out, they do have some new hard candy. They have these lipsticks in a blue, and they also have this one kind of like a salmon pink-ish color. Definitely new at my Dollar Tree. And they also do have the plumping serum in this purple. It is the 1563. Pretty cool. Oh, and look what's also at my store. They also have the all matted up, the coconut and hemp oil lip crayon. Now let's see what else we have over here. Velvet mousse. All right, and look, they also have these. This is the velvet mousse. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. And yeah, just sometimes you have to wonder about people. Just had somebody literally just be completely rude for no reason. But yeah, anyway. Oh wait, look at this one as well. There's actually a lot of hard candy. All right, come through. I may have to go to a second location because this one is really loud. So if I do hit up a second location, I will let you guys know. But yeah, let's continue on and see what else we can find. And speaking of hard candy, they also have these Shine Free All Day. I think I've picked this one up before, so I won't be picking them up again today. But I just want to show you that they have them here. Here at the Dollar Tree. Oh, and noticing some new face masks. They have a Miss Spa. This is Control Blemishes. It says facial peel off mask. And they have this one. And this one, the H-Defy. Yeah, they seem to have a lot of different ones, so be on the lookout. Oh, and look at this one, Detoxify. And, ooh, 24 karat gold. Very fancy. Alright guys, so I am back at the same store where I found these last week, and look, there's 2 left. Well, actually technically there's 4 left, but I grabbed 2 more. I did not realize how crazy people are going for these. So one thing to note is people are reselling these for $30. Yes, $30 online. Obviously I'm not going to do that, but I will do a giveaway with it very soon, so make sure you do hit the subscribe button. And I did want to make sure that you guys saw that these light up. And one other thing I forgot to mention last week is that the eyes right here, it is kind of a rustic texture. So let me turn it off before I give somebody a seizure. But yeah, I think as you can see and get closer, they do have a very rustic, it actually feels rustic too. So they're very cute, so be on the lookout for those. As I mentioned, I will be doing a giveaway for those. And also these are the Hand of God, which somebody actually pointed out to me. So, and then of course they still have these as well. So I guess people in my area are not ready for Halloween and fall because none of this has really moved except for what I purchased last week. So can you believe in that time nothing has really moved? But I guess, yeah, people are not ready for fall. But I am totally ready for it as far as like grabbing stuff for giveaways. So as I mentioned, I did grab 2 more, and I will be doing a giveaway with maybe one or both of those extra ones. So be on the lookout. All right, let's see what is new in the crafter section. It's a little messy, but This is definitely a new item. Little steak, I guess. Yeah, there's tons of them. And let's see, they have some arrows, which I think we've seen before. And these plaques. And let's see if anything else stands out. Yes, this is definitely new. This is the oil pastels. Okay, cool. Definitely new. Let's see if there's anything else that stands out as new. I'm not really seeing much today in the crafter section. I guess it's not always a win. All right, let's continue on and see what else we can find. Oh, and check these out. It says instant chalkboard for kids. It says peel and stick 8-piece. That is actually a pretty cool idea. Yeah. And what's funny is, look, it used to be $4.94 and now it's here at Dollar Tree for $1. Pretty cool. Never know what you're gonna find at the Dollar Tree. Oh, let's look at the stickers. These are new. It says you grow girl. That's right, you grow girl. Just a little, just let it grow. Oh, these are so cute. Actually, Coop for Cross's daughter comes to mind when I saw this. I think I know she has, I know Coop Mel has mentioned that she has a green thumb, so I know she likes plants, but yeah, I thought those were pretty cute. And let's see if there's any other kind. This one says, be colorblind, love, love, pretty cute. Oh, look at these stickers. Okay, so somebody corrected me, well, a few of you corrected me last week when I was like, oh, what's up, autoclons? And I realized, well, you guys pointed out that autoclons, or however it's pronounced, it's actually stickers in French. So, mystery solved, Sway. And let's see if there's any other ones that really stand out. Now, these are nice. It's kind of like a, having like a copper tone to it. Pretty cool. And let's see if anything else. Oh, look at these little insects. Really nice. And these, oh, very summery. Summery, even though fall stuff is sneaking into the Dollar Tree already. And then, oh, these are gorgeous. They're a little gold tone, the black background. Pretty nice. All right, let's see what else we can find the rest of the store. All right, so one item I wanted to show you, I'm just so excited about. It's actually something that it's not even for me, it's for couponing for a cause. If you guys know, she does do a lot of giveaways and does do a lot of baskets for her nonprofit, the Richard Bruning Foundation, and she was actually looking for these, and they were sold out literally for months. So this is the first and only time that I'll be showing me clearing a shelf, but yes, I'm actually clearing the shelf this one time. And it's obviously for a good cause, so don't come for me. But I did want to let you guys know, if you guys want to see how she does these, make sure you check out her giveaway videos, because she does show you how to do these, and it actually makes everything look really professional. So for a buck, definitely a good deal. So I'm going to be snatching them all up right now. All right, this is funny because last week I was looking at something that reminded me of Lisa Frank. I think it was at the 99. And look what I just found here today at Dollar Tree. Lisa Frank stickers. So that is so funny. Just had Lisa Frank on the mind, and now I see it here at the Dollar Tree. One thing I did want to show you guys, and I cannot find any more, but check these out. They are little bee pencils. I don't know if you guys can see it. But how cute are these? Oh, these are so adorable, and I'm telling you, I'm going crazy in this school supply section looking for more, because these are so adorable, and I cannot for the life of me find any more. But definitely gonna take this back for someone very special. All right, so I was not able to find more of the bee pencils. However, in their special back to school section, I did find these Hello Kitty pencils. Definitely cool. I've never seen Hello Kitty pencils here at Dollar Tree, but yep, they have them. This is in their back to school section. I was in the regular section before. But yeah, let's keep looking and see what else we can find. Oh, this is too funny. This reminds me of a 99B Popping. She actually has a pug. I know she's obsessed with them as well. So look, 99B Popping. That is so cute. Little pugs just for you. All right, guys. So last week, or no, 2 weeks ago, I showed a whole wall of these. I went back to the exact same store a week later. They were completely gone. Every single one was sold out. I'm at a different location today, and there was some left. I asked the cashier. She said they actually had a whole wall of them, and look what's left. These are so popular. I'm not exaggerating. I didn't hype it up, but I did tell you guys that if you do see these, grab these because they're really popular with the kiddos. Basically, we just push these all down and you flip it over and it just keeps everybody busy and entertained. So I think I'm gonna grab a couple because I'm sure I don't know if I'll see them ever again. And I may throw them in future giveaways if you guys tell me you have little ones. But yeah, definitely a cool item. I might grab one even for myself. So check them out here at the Dollar Tree. Oh, check these out. These are brand new. This is the little chalkboard with the unicorn. And they also have this one, the little sloth. These are adorable. And they are right on me. It says right on me, chalk. Pretty cool. And they restocked these. These are beautiful. I am thinking of repainting some, buying some and repainting them a different color just to fit them in my home. But it definitely gives me farmhouse vibes. I don't know about you guys. And let me know if you have purchased these and if you have recolored them. And it's so, in what colors or how you are putting them in your home. But yeah, they're so cute and for only $1. All right, guys, this is crazy. I don't know if they restocked it for a third time or this is from last week, but they still have these or they brought them back. Let me know if you would like me to do a giveaway with these. Yeah, let me know down in the comment section. I know this is really beautiful and a lot of people actually did not get these. Those two are my favorite, but yeah, they're all cute. So yeah, let me know down in the comment section. Oh, and look at these for the little doggies. This is the toothbrush. I guess you put like a snack in there. These used to sell for $4.98 somewhere, and now they have them here at the Dollar Tree for $1. Definitely quite the price difference. Oh, and check this out. Look what has made its way back to the Dollar Tree. They have the phone sanitizers. They are in smaller boxes this time. I was like, there was something different about it. But they made them smaller, but still pretty cool. These do retail for $15 elsewhere. That doesn't belong there. So yeah, if you are looking for them, they restocked them here at the Dollar Tree. Pretty cool. Check this out. They have Clorox wipes on the go packs. This you do get 9 wipes for the smaller one versus the 15 pack. I guess it just depends on how big your purse is, or if you have, if you're a guy, how big your pockets are. Just put it in your wallet, fold it. But yeah, if you do need like just little ones, this would actually be good for moms on the go. If you put it in a diaper bag or whatever, good thing to have. So good thing to be stocking up on right now before flu season. So yeah, check them out at the Dollar Tree for only $1. Oh, check this out. This pretty cool little display with snacks. This is Back to School by Lance. I don't know who Lance is, but yeah, pretty cool. They have little crackers with peanut butter. Yeah, just caught my eye. All right, so I did want to show these to you. They are right by the register, so I'm gonna grab some. These look perfect for the planners, so be on the lookout. Again, these were right in the front by the register, so definitely a good find as I was heading out. All right, so if you guys made it this far into the walkthrough, stay tuned because I have my 15,000 subscriber giveaway coming up right now. So you do not want to miss it. Keep watching and make sure you pay attention to the rules. So let's jump right into it. Hey everyone, so as I mentioned before, or right before this clip actually, I am doing my giveaway, and this is actually my 15,000 subscriber giveaway. I just can't believe it. It's been 15,000 subscribers. It is mind-blowing, but I'm so excited, and of course I have to celebrate by giving back to you guys, so because you all look great. So yes, I'm really excited to be celebrating my 15,000 subscriber milestone. And of course, I'm celebrating with you guys to say a huge thank you, because without you, none of this would be possible. So for this giveaway, I'm not giving away merchandise. I am literally giving away a $100 Visa gift card. Yes, $100. You guys can go shopping, go crazy, go to Dollar Tree, go to the 99 Target dollar spot, or go all of them and get a little bit of everything. So you can go shopping on me. So I'm really excited. So I'm glad that you guys made it this far into the video. So yes, the rules are pretty simple. Of course, as always, this is open to people within the United States who are 18 years or over. And the rules are: 1, you must be subscribed; 2, like this video; and 3, comment what is one goal you still have you're hoping to accomplish in 2021. I have several personal goals, which I might be sharing with you guys down the line. But anyway, just let me know what those are, and make sure you are subscribed. Have the bell notifications on, like this video, and of course, leave me your comment for what is your goal for 2021. And that will let me know you guys want to be entered in this very special giveaway. So yeah, and this giveaway is open until next Wednesday, July 21st, I believe. So that is when the winner will be chosen. So good luck to every single one of you. As a quick reminder, I did draw the winner of my Target dollar spot walkthrough. That person has not yet claimed their prize, and they have until tomorrow, Thursday. So make sure you guys not check the video out, check it out. Make sure you guys, I'm just gonna say guys, but just make sure that you check that video out to see if you are the winner. Otherwise, we'll be putting that item available again for a new drawing on Friday. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening. And I will see you on the next one.